Hey guys, welcome to Robby Hobby. Today I'm making high protein momos wrapped in cabbage and filled with paneer and veggies. Super healthy and super tasty. Let's jump in. So here I have got a big beautiful head of cabbage. Pick a biggest one you can find because we need those broad perfect leaves to wrap our momos properly. Gently peel off the big petals. No rush. Treat them nice. Then drop them into boiling water. Add a teaspoon of salt. Give it a swirl and let them soak and soften for about 15 minutes on low-medium heat. While our cabbage is taking its hard path, let's get chopping. You can use any veggies you like. I'm making about 4 to 5 momos, so I have got half an onion sliced, half a bell pepper, 1 chopped jalapeno, 1 medium carrot shredded, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, and 4 ounces of low-fat paneer shredded. Paneer, that's our muscle builder right there. Now heat up a pan and I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of mustard oil for that bold, tangy kick. You can totally use olive or avocado oil if you want to play it safe, but I like mine with a little attitude. Add in the garlic and onions. Give it a nice mix. Then toss in the shredded carrots. Bell peppers and jalapenos. Stir it all together until the onions turns glossy and translucent. That's your sign it's time for spice. Add half a teaspoon each of turmeric, coriander powder and chaat masala. Salt to taste. Mix everything with love. Now add the shredded paneer. Stir it in and let it cook for a few minutes till it all comes together, fragrant, flavorful, and flirting with your senses. Finish with a little fresh coriander on top and set it aside to cool. That's your sexy filling is all done. By now, our cabbage petals are soft and ready to wrap. So here's the fun part. Slice off the hard stem at the base. Lay out the leaf. Add your filling right in the center. And wrap it up nice and slow like a tiny green burrito. Do the same with the rest. And our momos are ready for a little pan love. Add a drizzle of mustard oil in a pan, coat it well, and line up the momos gently. Let them sizzle for about 10 minutes on low heat, no rushing. Then flip and give the other side its turn to get golden. And there you go, golden, crispy, high-protein momos ready to make you fall in love with healthy food. You can have it with hot sauce. I have made my own quick dip, a mix of no-fat Greek yogurt, a spoon of tahini, and a tablespoon of hot sauce. And since I was snacking on pomegranate while cooking, I threw some on top. Why not? It looks beautiful. And that's it. Your high-protein, low-carb cabbage momos are ready. Light, flavorful, and just a little bit irresistible. Thank you for being with me in my kitchen. See you in next video. Looks good. Smells good. Just delicious. Yum. I love it.